Presenting a pre-owned 2025 Cadillac. This four-door SUV has engine with all-wheel drive and a 1-speed direct-drive transmission. This Cadillac is a steal with less than 8,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.